everybody, hey everyone, welcome back to a new reaction video. This is Camille Reacts and More here, bringing it again another reaction to. This is going to be somebody new that I have not reacted to before, guys. This is Cristina Mel singing Some do Amor. No, I think this is on the program show, Raul or something of that nature. Sorry guys, this is all in Spanish, so some of it I can't really none of it I can't really understand what is being said here or the name of the song really. There are no subtitles, so I'm gonna be listening to vocal mostly in this particular performance because it's not in English. So I am gonna get straight into it, everybody. So let's go.
Eu já ouvi muitas canções de amor pra ti, Senhor, e eu também já escrevi meu amor por ti, mas nunca ouvi nada igual ao som da tua dor. Esse é o som do teu amor, essa é a canção que fez pra mim. Foi som de amor, o som dos cravos em tuas mãos, som de compaixão. Ainda posso ouvir
Cristina Mill. I love her voice, guys. Her vocal was definitely on point. I have no idea what she was singing about, but it definitely held me, which you could tell because I was dancing to it a little bit. I was getting into that. I loved it. I don't even know. I think it's a gospel thing. Um, Everybody was definitely singing along and everybody was really into it. So let me know in my comment section regarding this video if it was gospel, because it wasn't in English and I would really like to know, guys, because it definitely was moving me. And usually the ones that are worship songs, and even if it's in a language that I don't know, it really gets it. I really get into it. So I love that. And with that being said, I'm going to get straight on out, everybody. But remember to like, subscribe, comment down below what you like to see on an upcoming video. Don't forget to click my notification bell and visit me anytime on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your support. Remember to stay blessed, everyone. Until next time. Bye, everybody.